child dies completely unnecessarily as a result of extreme poverty.
Extreme poverty.
Every 3 seconds.
Every 3 seconds.
There we go.
Somebody's daughter.
That's another one.
That's another one.
Somebody's daughter. Somebody's son. Somebody's son.
When did you stop caring?
Somebody's son.
That's another one. Somebody's daughter.
When did you stop caring?
Every 3 seconds. One person dies.
When did you stop caring?
Another 3 seconds.
One more.
One more person. One more person.
When did you stop caring?
Child dies completely unnecessarily as a result of extreme poverty every 3 seconds.
That's another one.